Good evening guys. Buti na lang may kalangkahoy. Naubusan ako ng gas. Hi. Oh look guys. You see what I see guys? My dog is patiently waiting for me. Wait for me baby. Your mommy is cooking outside. It's raining. Don't go outside. Oh no. Don't go outside. You're oh talaga naman kaya naiinggit to eh. Oh my God. Look. Demi pa. Wait lang ha. Tinan mo naman, nag-aantay siya oh. Wait lang baby. Baby, I'm cooking ha. Wait lang baby, I'm cooking. Baby, your mommy is busy. Wait me there, okay? You wait me there. Daddy, play your baby. Daddy, play your baby. She is very cute. Ah, look. Bye-bye, baby. I'm cooking outside. Hope you understand. We don't have gas, okay? You wait for me there. Baby, wait for me, baby. Oh, antay to sa baby. Baby, wait for me, baby. Oh, my baby is so cute. Don't rain, because I'm cooking. I will be wet. Don't rain, because I'm cooking. Mababasa ako pag umulan. Rain gently falls, don't be rain. Shout out to all my team. My new team is ayan. Shout out to Sir Jeff, Sir Kate, and Ma'am Ella, the Queen and the King, the founder and the co-founder of Team Salute. Thank you sa lahat naman sa team. Ramdam na ramdam ko ang inyong suporta. Napaka-supportive nyo. Salamat, nakakita ko ng katulad ko rin kung mag-support. Salamat. Pero dun sa mga syempre yung mga friends ko na dati ko sinusuportahan, ganun ba din? Kasi talaga kami mga supportive kami. La Minerva, si Winnie. Yan talaga kami noon pa. Pamilyang general kami. Kami po ay mga supportive. Kaya deserve namin talaga na magkaroon din kami ng mga kaibigan na kaya namin kung sumuporta. Sana nga magtagal ako. Oh my God. Oh, tairam nga pospro darling. No baby, wait for your mommy is cooking, ha? Oh, don't throw. You loko, ha? You throw the pospro, ha? Baby, wait for me, baby. Kiss mo na, baby. Kiss mo na, baby. Ah! Bye-bye, baby. Look naman how cute the baby is there. Wait for me, baby, huh? Your mommy is busy. Your daddy is busy on the cell phone. I will make prospero this. Shout out to the Indian Team Salute. That's why I'm English speaking. And you understand what I'm saying. I have to making English spoken because the founder is English speaking. I have to study speaking English so that you will understand what my video is, what my content is. I'm cooking outside because I have no gas. It's empty. That's why it's very dark. I don't know, it's nothing gas. Look at my neighbor, huh? Look at my neighbor. All the neighbor there is the relatives. The relatives of my sweetheart Ariel. It's very dark. It's very dark. It's like me. I'm so dark. The place is so dark because it's evening. It's night. Mega shout out Minerva, Sir Day, Mami Z, Bozing Kun. Mega love shout out Virgie, V Walker, Minerva Wenny. Hello, mega love shout out sa mga nagpapa-entry Wenny, Jovan, and mega love shout out. Oh, Storm, hi. Mega love shout out Storm. Sa mga nagpapa-entry DJ Shine, mega love shout out. Angelique, mega love shout out. Mega love shout out kay Sir Ruel Enrique, mega love shout out. Mga bago kong sinasalihan. Galieta and the Galieta and mega love shout out. Sino pa ba yung Gacha Live 2.0 animation. Mega love shout out. Sponsor ka sa akin sa magbe-birthday ako, I hope it will cook next year. Maybe I will finish cooking next year, I don't know what happened to this because it's wet because of heavy rain. Non-stop rain, Please don't be heavy now because I'm cooking. I will be wet. I don't like to take shower at night because it's cold. It's cold outside. I don't know what recipe I will cook today because I don't have recipe. Because shout out sa mga Team Salute, RCC channel, Midnight Jam, Galieta, diba? Si Marian. Shout out Sir Kate Jenkins, Sir King, and Mom Queen Ella. Oh my God, what happened to my fire? The fire is nothing, OMG, what happened to the fire? The fire is nothing, The fire is nothing. OMG, what happened to the fire? What happened to this? OMG, I'm speaking English, and yung mga nakakasama ko sa lagi kong kasama sa 5 marami pa yan sila, Midnight Jam. Sino ba yung mga RCC channel, yung mga kasama ko. Nagkita-kita kami lagi sa mga shout out to Team India, salute, shout out sa mga hindi ko ma-shout out, basta Team Salute, lahat po kayo, shout out all, shout out, marami tayo, salamat sa mga nagsusupport sa akin mga video. Iko TV, shout out everybody, shout out. Sir Dave Walker, shout out sa lahat ng mga napunta sa aking video, and pag ako'y nagla-live, shout out. Hayaan nyo, when I get my salary on YouTube, I will pay another cell phone because this cell phone cannot be in live. Maybe it will broken. That's why I have to buy new, and it's near to buy because it's $20 left. Then I will have a salary in YouTube. Alright, alright. It's easy to do the content, because every day that we do household, every day that we do, it is a content, right? It is a content, and it is not a copyright, you know. It's a legit, it's an organic video of our life. English poking, no? English eh. Ay, because the founder is English speaking, we are English speaking na too, because he will understand, and the Indian, he will understand, huh? Will understand what is I'm talking about. Sana all, huh? Shout out, sana all, ika nga ni Sir Kate, sana all, Ma'am Ella, hello, Ma'am Ella, shout out, MLSL, oh, mega love shout out, oh, who is there? I am listening something. Maybe there's a ghost in my back. Because oh, it's good, huh? The fire is coming over. You Team Salute, you learn how to speak English, because our founder is English speaking, because he is American, you know. He's American. That's why you have to speak English, huh? Yeah. And Bossing Kun will understand what we are talking about, and Sir Dave too, right? Wrong, right? Wrong. Mega love shout out, ha? Ang aking mga laging kasama classmates sa mga pagsugod, ha? Midnight, ha? RCC Channel, Marian, Galieta. Yan ang mga kasama ko sumusugod, eh. Kami kung nasaan ako, andun din sila, si Cinco. Ha? Kami nakikita talaga, sa totoo lang, guys. Tapos minsan napunta ako sa mga Indian. When I go Indian live at 10 or 11, I see Sir Kate, and I'll shout out you, but your name, your channel is not seeing in the very past live chat. You didn't see my shout out to you, because it's very fast, huh? In Indian live, huh? I always support Indian live stream. Shout out to all my YouTube subscribers, huh? On April, I will start doing live, because May 21 is my birthday. I have to do some birthday, what do you call this? Grand live stream, huh? A simple, and I am looking for the sponsor. Maybe someone like, I have a Facebook, huh? You will message me if you like, huh? Your video link I will put in my live, and everybody's in entry and viewers that will join will go to your link, huh? 1 month plus, 1 month mahigit. Okay, I will hi, why are you here? You waiting for me? This is my cat named Mingoy. This is Mingoy. Waiting for me, huh? Oh, baby! Hindi pa ako tapos, baby. 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 Hello, baby. Kiss mo na, baby. Kiss muna, baby. Oh. This is my mahal, Daddy Ariel. Kiss muna, kiss muna.